Hello, hi, look, this is the samak already. This is the way that they cook grill, okay? So, that is Iraqi tradition to make the fish grill. Oh, you see? Oh, ayan. Oh, from there, from big aquarium. Ayun yung sama ko. Pagkatapos inihaw agad. Tapos nilagay na dito. Oh, ayan oh, ganyan sila pag nagluto ng mga samak. Oh, diba? Nandoon yung init. Sa gitna lang. Oh, sa gitna oh. At saka yung mga samak nandyan sa gilid. Umiikot. Oh, tingnan mo. Diba? Oh. Ito talaga lagi yung ano nila pag gumagawa ng ano ng samak na malapad. Kasi ewan ko siguro ganito talaga sila. Tinanggal yung lamat tapos binukas bukas ba. Kung sa atin pa parang magbuyad. O, pero sa kanila yung grill. O, tingnan mo at saka meron silang sarili ng paggawa ng tinapay. No, ayan o, dyan o. Ginagawa na nila yung tinapay. Meron din sila doon. Okay? O, diba? O, ayan o. O, ganito. Kayong to all Baghdad people here, if you want to eat just samak, you can come here to visit this restaurant. And you know already, it's very nice place. You can enjoy, and there is also for the children playground. Okay? Oh, ayan oh. Nangangamoy na ako isda. Oh. Thank you. It's okay. Oh, ayan na oh, ayan oh. Tingnan mo. Ayan oh. Oh. That's what we make to grill, oh. Ayan. Ayan yung isda, oh. Nangangamoy na ako isda. Uy, hello, Sisi. Very nice. Read up na pala ito. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung sama ko. Yung sama ko, Greek jump. Yeah. Ayan si Abudi. Hello, Abudi. Ha?
This was Zuzu.
Susu pala. Hello, Susu. Ayun yung sama ko. Ayun yung sama ko. Oh, ayan. Orange. Oh. Because Neko, you want to use headband? Uy. You want headband? Oh, yan na. Tali na. Dali na. Replay. Yela. Dali na, Susu. Sway, Susu. Amo, thank you. Bye-bye. Ayan o, swimming pool, Celine. Celine, slowly, Celine. Where you go? Map, the map. Map. Yeah. Be careful, be careful. Oh, ayan o, ayan. No, now it's cold. I think it's cold already. So. You want to go in the playground? Last in summer we take swimming here. The headband, I use your headband already. Ando na yung children. Slowly lang. Ayan o. That one is the name of the restaurant. It's very nice. Oh. Ayan. Okay, oh. Oh. It's very nice. Oh. Oh. You can play and enjoy here. Oh, you see? Yela Sisi also. Yela go. Yay! Abudi and Susu. Yela Sisi, yela go. Ayan, that is the restaurant. And this the restaurant. Okay. Well, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Shout out to all subscriber of mine. Ayan yung Moon. Thank you, thank you. God bless us all and keep safe and bye-bye.